Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make pumpkin pie. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, we have to make the bottom of our cake. We have to blend soaked nuts. I will use hazelnuts. Part of the nuts we have to put in a bowl in which we will combine all of the ingredients to make the bottom. With the rest of them, we will mix soaked raisins. Now some of the coconut oil. We can melt it to make it easier to mix with the rest of the ingredients. We can optionally add some soaked dates. Be aware because they can have pits inside. Blend everything together. Now we put everything in a bowl and mix with the rest of nuts. We mix using spoon or our hands. We can add some shredded coconut for a better taste. Now we have to put the mass in a form for our cake. When our bottom is ready, we can start making pumpkin layer. Firstly, we have to grate the carrot. We can use even larger eyelets for this, just to make the carrot easier to blend. It has more intense flavor than pumpkin, so you have to be careful with the amount you use in the recipe, or you will end up with a carrot cake rather than the pumpkin one. Put the carrot in a blender. We also add pumpkin, dividing it into smaller pieces. We pour some almonds milk from my previous videos. Pumpkin don't have a very distinct taste, so we can add some agave syrup to make the cake a little sweeter. Blend it to make some space and add some bananas. The mass we achieve we have to put on previously made bottom and then spread. Next we have to cool it for a while, for example in the fridge. We can decorate it with sunflower or pumpkin seeds. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Bon appetit!